Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect iPEGA wireless controller with iPhone. And to do this, first we'll need to take a look on the left side of the controller. Here there's a switch, and make sure that it's in the middle on the I button, on the I sign, just like that. Now we can place our iPhone on the controller, and then let's go for the Bluetooth settings on the iPhone. Here we can power on the controller itself with the home button. Click and hold it for a few seconds until the LED lamp starts flashing. And now you can see the controller right here. Click on it and it should pair with that controller. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.